Hi, what is mindfulness? We're going to be talking over the next 10 weeks or so about mindfulness practices, what is mindfulness, why it's beneficial, and all things mindfulness. So it's a word that we've been hearing a lot lately, more and more. And in summary, just at the highest level, what mindfulness is, it's about being fully engaged in each present moment. So what that means is that you're able to see things around you more clearly. And there's different techniques and things that we can do in order to create a mindfulness ability, a mindfulness practice. And it's not as hard as you would think. So we're going to give quick tips over the next 9-10 weeks, something like that. And we'll be talking about mindfulness and different ways to cultivate it into your life. So it's a pretty amazing type of practice, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you guys more about it.